So I'm glad you started by digital economy, because I believe, and like our company believe, that having a prosperous digital economy, I think it's the ultimate goal, and that's what we're all working around. That we have better digital economy reflected on people, then the people will have jobs, people will be happier, healthier, safer, and that's all what we're doing. So for that, you can consider Huawei an intelligent transformation provider. I don't think we're no longer just a vendor. You can consider us as an economic, national economic prosperity enabler for our collaboration. So our passion does not stop at just providing the foundational building blocks and pieces. In parallel to that, we are diffusing this kind of technology and leadership into all corners of the society and every single industry, doing that digital transformation. And I think that's what will shape our partnership and collaboration, no matter with carriers like operators or enterprise. We put that on top, and they're trying to let our customers feel the ROI. So now it's good. We're getting from the digital economy on now how to do it, and then you have different segments, different stakeholders. Carriers are no longer just carrying bits and minutes. In my perspective, they are carrying the transformation flag, because the carriers are the forefront of being responsible for national infrastructure on building those highways. The other thing is new revenue. I think the new revenue and the transformation from telcos, for example, to techco is really key. We support that transformation for carriers to be really a technology powerhouse, spilling over different digital services. I see, especially in this region, in the GCC country, the passion for the operators and carriers are so big, and that's how we collaborate. So what is it that we are offering? The resiliency for the infrastructure. For example, if you go to B2B, as you mentioned, you need the resiliency, you need the high availability, you also need the automation. We are in the UAE, so I gave you two examples of the two big carriers here in the UAE. Like, for example, with E-End, last week we announced the mini core. What the mini core is for 5G Advanced is that something really small that can be deployed on the enterprise territory. We collaborated with Du to be a one-stop ICT shop, providing not only the connectivity, which is they are great, they have really great passion, not only the connectivity, but also all of the IT services. So one-stop shop that requires a lot of those innovations. AI is playing a fantastic role, not only in the infrastructure needed or the devices, but also on the platform and also in the intelligent application. I give you examples of some of the things that we are working on and we are offering here, which is using AI agents to manage the data centers, to manage the campus, AI campus, or even on the cloud platform. I say, if we really want to cultivate the talents to help us in our AI future, the world AI future, so we will better use AI in developing those talents. How you can facilitate an AI native learning, how you can facilitate efficient teaching, how you can position the school campus or university campus to even if it's limited in physical space, it has humongous digital space. So how to save the time for teachers, in doing the clerical work, the administrative work. All of that are needed to transform higher education, and that's what Huawei is doing when it comes to cultivating and transforming talents. globally and specifically here in the Middle East and Central Asia, because the ICT competition in the Middle East and Central Asia is the largest among Huawei's ICT competition overseas outside China. So that will be what's happening as we speak on the national level. And then it's going to be the final is going to be regional. And then the best of the best will go to Shenzhen next year to compete globally. So that's one of the things. We also do our ICT Academy. We have more than 300 ICT Academy in the region, doing a fantastic job in cultivating hundreds of thousands of students. I want to leave you with one sentence. Digital divide definition used to be on those who are lacking connectivity, right? I believe the new definition of digital divide is that for those who do not know or do not use AI and digital technology. So if the country does not own its own ICT talent, I don't think the country will have a sustainable digital future or even sustainable future. So that's how important the talents are. Thank you very much for your time.